Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome to our channel, and we are about to kick off an epic adventure, San Francisco style. This city is an absolute playground, jam-packed with iconic landmarks, crazy good food, and enough activities to keep the whole family buzzing for days. We're talking about memories in the making, people. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive headfirst into the ultimate family adventure guide to San Francisco. All right, we're hitting the ground running with the granddaddy of them all, the Golden Gate Bridge. This marvel of engineering is not just a bridge, it's a symbol of San Francisco and a testament to human ingenuity. This thing is iconic. I'm talking instantly recognizable, a global superstar in the world of bridges. It's been featured in countless movies, TV shows, and photographs. And for good reason. This thing is massive, this thing is beautiful, this thing is orange. Yes, that international orange color makes it stand out against the blue waters and sky. Yeah, orange. Who would have thought, right? But it's not just for looks. The color was chosen for visibility in San Francisco's famous fog. But trust me, it works. The bridge is a stunning sight from every angle, whether you're up close or viewing it from a distance. Whether you're walking, biking, or just soaking it in from afar, the Golden Gate Bridge is an absolute must-do. It's an experience that captures the essence of San Francisco. But here's a pro tip. Head there early, like stupid early, to beat the crowds and snag those epic people-free shots. The early morning light is perfect for photography. Trust me, your Instagram feed will thank you. The Golden Gate Bridge is not just a landmark, it's a memory you'll cherish forever. Next up, we're taking the fun indoors to the Exploratorium, San Francisco's premier science museum. And let me tell you, this ain't your grandma's science museum, unless your grandma was all about hands-on exhibits and mind-blowing experiments. We're talking about a place where kids, and let's be real, adults too, can unleash their inner scientist and spend hours exploring the wonders of the world around them. From optical illusions that will leave you scratching your head to interactive displays that explain the science behind everyday life, the Exploratorium is an experience that will educate, entertain, and leave you wanting more. Now let's be real. No trip to San Francisco is complete without a visit to the legendary Pier 39. This iconic waterfront marketplace is a must-see destination for tourists and locals alike. This place is buzzing with energy, from the street performers juggling everything but the kitchen sink, to magicians and musicians captivating audiences of all ages. And let's not forget the aroma of fresh seafood wafting through the air. Whether you're craving clam chowder, shrimp cocktails, or freshly caught fish, Pier 39 has it all. But the real stars of the show, the main attraction, the reason people flock from all corners of the globe, the sea lions. These playful creatures have made Pier 39 their home and are a delight to watch. These guys are hilarious, they're loud, they're kinda smelly, but man, are they entertaining? Watching them interact is like seeing a live comedy show. Just watching them lounge about, bark at each other, and occasionally fight over a prime sunbathing spot is an experience you won't soon forget. It's a slice of nature right in the heart of the city. Plus, you can grab some clam chowder in a sourdough bread bowl and call it a day. Perfection. Whether you're here for the food, the fun, or the furry friends, Pier 39 has something for everyone. Okay, we're about to hop on board one of San Francisco's most iconic modes of transportation, the cable cars. These historic vehicles have been a staple of the city since the late 19th century, offering both locals and tourists a unique way to navigate the steep streets. These things are like rolling museums, clinging to those steep hills and offering some seriously breathtaking views of the city. As you ride, you'll get a panoramic view that captures the essence of San Francisco's charm and beauty. Hold on tight as you climb those hills, feel the wind in your hair, and listen to the clang of the cable car bell as you're transported back in time. It's an experience that combines the thrill of a ride with a touch of nostalgia. And don't be afraid to strike up a conversation with the conductor. Those guys are like walking encyclopedias of San Francisco history and lore. They can share fascinating stories and little-known facts that you won't find in any guidebook. Plus, they're probably the only ones who can tell you how to stop this thing. Their expertise ensures that every ride is not only enjoyable, but also safe. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey through history. Last but not least, we're escaping the hustle and bustle of the city to find some peace and tranquility in Golden Gate Park. This place is massive, I'm talking over 1,000 acres of gardens, museums, lakes, and even a Japanese tea garden. You could easily spend an entire day here and still not see everything. Rent a bike, pack a picnic, and get lost in the beauty of this urban oasis. And if you're lucky enough to be there on a Sunday, be sure to check out the Golden Gate Park Band. They've been performing free concerts in the park for over a century. So there you have it, folks, our whirlwind adventure through San Francisco. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, this city has something for everyone in the family to enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below with your favorite San Francisco memory, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Until next time, keep exploring the world.